think earlier on, I know we had an off-the-record discussion, a conversation regarding the upcoming case of former President Jacob Zuma. What is the state of readiness with that case?
First, let me say, I think the attorney will tell you. I mean, he manages the case, and so I think you must check with him. My sense is that there is a pending appeal of that case, and so, with the best will in the world, the trial can't happen. Just as a general point, you don't need to like or dislike Mr. Zuma to know that when there's an appeal, the trial just can't happen. So I think the attorney will tell you what they're going to be doing. I think there's going to be a holding date, and the matter will be postponed until the appeal is done.
Okay. Yeah. And then there's also the issue of the Commissioner of State Capture, Commission of Inquiry into State Capture. I was there last week when Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo announced that whether former President Jacob Zuma appears or not, or the Guptas or anyone else that has been implicated by those giving evidence, he will be able to make findings as well as recommendations. Do you think that your client, Mr. Zuma, will be judged by society, or do you think rather Chief Justice Raymond Zondo will be able to give fair recommendations and findings if there are people who have been implicated and have not been afforded an opportunity to state their case? This question is in line with the fact that Mr. Zuma is ill and unable to attend the proceedings there at Parktown.
Well, it depends. There are people who are so cruel as not to believe a 79-year-old man when he says he's ill. But I can't speak for Judge Zondo. I can't speak really for, that's between him and his conscience and his sense of justice, how he's going to deal with what this commission is, so I really can't. All I know is that the client won't be around because of ill health. How Zondo determines this matter is really a matter between him and his conscience and his sense of justice.
I'm sure you've been following the proceedings since 2018 when the commission started, and your client has been implicated a number of times by those, either his DGs or ministers. Do you not perhaps see the need for him, despite of whether or not he's sick? Let's say for argument's sake, he was in a position, or rather he was healthy. Are there any specific people that you, at the top of your head right now, as I speak to you, you would like one day that they appear before the commission so that you can cross-examine them based on the allegations that they've made?
I would be getting into the details of the matter. I think, I operate on the basis of instructions from my attorney, who is Zuma's attorney. So I really don't want to speak about what approach will be taken and who they would want to cross-examine. I wait for a brief. If I'm briefed, I will do what I have to do. But I really wouldn't like to talk about the details of a matter between the client and the attorney and the forum. I will do what I'm briefed to do at the time when I'm briefed.
And then is the school that you mentioned earlier, I just want to take you back there because it was one of my questions that I wanted to ask. Is it up and running, or is it running?
I'm going to show you now.
Okay.
When I take you there.
And can you just give what does the school do? Do you bring in advocates or lawyers, or just
to teach?
To teach.
All right.
Just
this is the first